so amazing is the stigma for hair loss is beginning to be, it's still there, but it's beginning to be lifted by so many amazing women that I see with Facebook groups, on Instagram. And what I like most about these groups is they are sharing what they're doing. They're embracing the hair loss, but they are also sharing what options that they've decided to explore, whether it be treatments, whether it be laser therapy, whether it be toppers, whether it be wigs. And I just think it's a beautiful thing. We can lift the stigma of hair loss, because back in the day, okay, hair systems were considered to be unsightly, but honestly, those were just the bad ones. Hair systems really, for the most part, are virtually undetectable. So 9 times out of 10, you didn't really notice if it was a hair system for a lot of people. But now technology has improved so much that there are so many options. And the biggest fear that people have most of the time is, do I have to shave my head? And for men, yes, for men, because their hair grows fast, but I understand with women, it's not necessarily ideal to shave the head. So there are so many options for you. There are hair systems, there are wiglets, there are toppers. Toppers are taking over. Here's one of my toppers. Her name is Chelsea. She is a 6x7, 130% density, and a medium brown. These are great options for hair loss because you can wear them at the front, or you can wear them a little bit behind your hairline, and it gives you a little more fullness and density on top. And it's easy to remove, it's easy to apply, it's a good option. And they're such high quality that they do last you for a very, very long time. And the ones that have had bad experience with toppers, honestly, quality of the topper is paramount, because if you have a topper with bad hair or that is constructed terribly, you're gonna see a lot of things that you find unsightly. Like, one of the main things people do experience with bad toppers is tangling, or being too tall at the top. Nobody has a tall scalp. Volume, yes. Tall scalp, no. So, like I'm saying, you have to invest in a really good topper. If you want to go to Plentiful Hair Studio and consider one of our toppers, I have a store section on my website, www.plentifulhairstudio.com. And on that website, there are pre-custom toppers, pre-custom units that you can check out. And the best part about going to me is we can finance it. You can put it on, you can get on a payment plan. There's so many different options, but you can check it out. Having a good quality system is key, because it can last you for a very, very, very long time. And the construction of a quality piece, you can't beat that. So visit my website, www.plentifulhairstudio.com. Thank you.